Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OBS bitrate problems and optimize your streaming settings. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it's launched, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the File menu. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the Settings window where we'll make all the necessary adjustments. In the Settings window, look at the left sidebar and click on Output. This is where you'll configure your bitrate settings for both streaming and recording. Now, locate the video bitrate field. Set this value to 8000, which is the recommended setting for 1080p at 60 fps. Keep in mind that you can adjust this higher if your monitor resolution supports it and if your internet upload speed can handle it. Next, navigate to Output mode at the top of this section. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select Advanced. This will give you access to more detailed encoding options. Make sure you're on the Streaming tab first. Here, find the bitrate field again and set it to 8000 to match your previous setting. Now comes an important part. Navigate to Video Encoder and click the drop-down menu next to it. Your selection here depends entirely on your graphics card. If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, select NVENC H.264 or NVENC AV1. If you're using an AMD GPU, select AMD HWH.264/AVC. And if you're using an Intel GPU, select QuickSync H.264. It's crucial to avoid X264 if your CPU struggles while gaming, so make sure to choose the option that matches your graphics card for optimal performance. After that's done, click on the Recording tab at the top. You'll need to repeat the encoder selection process here. Navigate to Video Encoder, click the drop-down menu, and again select the appropriate option based on your graphics card, just like you did for streaming. This ensures consistency between your streaming and recording quality. Now, in the left panel, click on Advanced. Here, you'll need to make sure your bind to IP is set to default. If it's not, click the drop-down menu and select Default. This ensures proper network routing for your stream. Right below that setting, you'll see a checkbox beside Dynamically Change Bitrate to manage congestion beta. Make sure to check this box. This feature automatically adjusts your bitrate if your network experiences congestion, helping prevent stream drops and buffering issues. Finally, in the bottom right corner of the settings window, click Apply to save all your changes, then click OK to close the settings window. Your OBS is now properly configured with optimized bitrate settings that should resolve any streaming issues you were experiencing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.